Organizations have widely accepted DevOps services to refine the quality and promptness of software delivery. DevOps helps in development and operations team to work effectively. It helps teams plan better, communicate, and process projects successfully. So yes, listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast episode number 15 of #TechSetGo. So today we will speak all about testing in DevOps. So testing is not new in the software business. Like testing in a traditional environment is not the same as testing in DevOps environment. Traditionally, in the waterfall model, if we'll say, software testing was performed as per the few phases, and that are requirements, analysis, design, implementations, testing, deployment, maintenance. So here, software tester do the testing work apart from the development team, so it becomes difficult and expensive to fix any bugs discovered during the testing stage. Hence, it's uncertain whether the required quality and standard of the development could be conserved within the allocated time frame. You must be thinking that why is QA essential to DevOps? So DevOps is a collaborative approach and integration of QA in the development and testing cycle, and that plays an essential role. In DevOps, the quality is ensured throughout the project cycle and highly motivates continuous testing. So in this traditional testing approach, the quality team was the last to enter the project to verify the application, and it had no role in the initial phases of application development. So the pattern is changed through DevOps. Now the latest development code is pushed to production by the QA and testing team with ease, while the deployment is ensured by the DevOps itself. So as a result, the quality assurance is no longer limited to logging bugs, but is now involved in ensuring the smooth release of applications. And the role of the QA is changed with DevOps, and it's like QA permits and directs to check the quality and the performance of the application in a faster and secure way before the delivery. Providing functional build to clients at any stage of the development life cycle would be next to impossible if the quality is not assured at every stage. So the need of the organization is to build the right DevOps testing strategy to deliver successful software solutions and operations. Now let's understand the benefits of DevOps in testing strategy. So the very first point that comes to mind is like it covers functional and non-functional testing. So the functional testing types involved with DevOps are unit testing, integration testing, regression testing, API testing, and cross-browser testing. The second is continuous analysis of risk areas. So the testing, the build in each and every version clears out the risks, and that can hamper the delivery of builds on time. The evaluation of build is like a continuous manner would help to eliminate risks at every single stage. The third is better user experience. So the routine feedback from the customers help developers to understand and fix problems and make continuous updates to the application. And it gives an ability to create test cases as per the functional point of view, which are executed as per the requirement to evaluate the end user's experience. The fifth benefit is like platform coverage. So as DevOps make use of test automation, it ensures the platform coverage by integrating and using the right test automation tools. The fifth benefit is fast feedback and delivery. So the need of the hour is to get the feedback within a day in order to make the fixes at the same time. The sixth benefit is stable and quality software. So organizations have adopted DevOps with open hands. The interesting part about DevOps is that each team member plays an important and equal role. The DevOps team has a common goal of delivering secure, stable, and quality software. So let's just understand now the best practices for testing in DevOps. The very first point comes is end-to-end tests. So it is very important to test the functional areas, and therefore we need to write end-to-end tests. And end-to-end tests cover the real-time scenarios of each module and not just depend upon the unit tests. The second is test automation and testing types. So in DevOps, the constant integration of code is kept to a central repository, which means the application is always ready for continuous testing. Testing the application at several stages can help in delivering better products. The third is Kanban boards makes it simple. So the Kanban boards are part of agile methodology, which has a major focus on the smooth project delivery. So with the key features such as clear picture of the project status, issues and updates, helps the team to communicate and collaborate better. The last point is testing tools. So testing tools makes testers work easier if the tester has good expertise and skills to analyze and use the tool. So the budget factor also plays a role when talking about the testing tools in automation. So some of the DevOps testing tools are designed as like monitoring tools, version control tools, security testing tools, performance testing tools, continuous delivery tools, and so on. If we'll go a bit more deeper in testing tools area, then there are some familiar tools that includes. First is Docker. So it is an open source DevOps technology suite that works on the concept of containerization, enabling development teams to code, deploy and test applications regardless of the project environment. The second is Jenkins, and it's like an open source tool that helps create, test and deploy the software. It also permits the developers to find and fix bugs in the code base. The third is GitHub, that is GitHub. So another widely used tool holding up effortless collaboration, you can use that. The fourth is Selenium. It is one of the browser automation tools plotted to carry through web UI testing, largely used in DevOps pipelines. The fifth is JMeter. So it is highly adaptable open source load testing tool used to test and for the performance of the website like overall. So yes, like at the end I would like to add here that the behavior of applications is switching day by day, and for many businesses DevOps is the right solution for increasing or maintaining market competitiveness. So yes, DevOps can increase the development speed, but of course you need to keep many factors in your mind. So yes, that's it for today. If you are in need of a team full of experts who follow the DevOps pattern, then definitely visit www.mindinventory.com today. The team full of experts will be more than happy to guide you and help you out. So yes, we'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep on listening and